today's video, I am gonna show you the wash basin designs for halls and dining room. Wash basins are not an ordinary thing that you put into your homes. It is one of those plush elements that totally reflects the personality of the host, along with creating an impression among the visitors. Although there is a wide range of wash basin designs for halls and dining rooms available out there, choosing the right one that fulfills all your requirements is an essential part. Modern halls or dining rooms are a point of convergence in your home, which is often visited by everyone who comes to your home. However, people usually tend to ignore one of the most essential elements in their dining rooms or halls, that is a wash basin. Stone wash basin in a dining room or a hall adds more charm and grace to your space without you having to do much within the course of the time. Despite the fact that there is an enormous sort of wash basin designs out there, the most aesthetic ones are stone countertops, you can say metal under counters, wall mounted, and above counters. As a homeowner, you may be thinking about whether to have a wash basin in your dining room, and the most answers stand out to be you assuming high maintenance and cleaning purposes. But there lies some pretty good meaning to it, as we always find it unhygienic to use powder rooms or bathrooms wash basins for washing our hands, and it totally sounds impractical to wash our hands in the kitchen sinks. Wash basins tends to add an appealing look to our dining rooms by making it more decorative and beautiful. You can always infuse modern wash basin designs for halls or dining rooms which complements the thematic decor and create an imperial and magnificent look. Besides having so many charismatic components, it also makes it more durable and functional for residents and visitors. Choosing the right wash basin design for hall or dining room needs a lot of attention to detail, as there are a lot of designer wash basins available out there in the market. So if you enjoyed this video and if you like these designs, please provide your feedback and stay tuned with us.